goes along the beach. Really windy. The waves aren't as big as I thought they would be. They said it was going to be like 4 to 6 feet. I mean, they're pretty big, but they're not huge. Now look at the sand. Probably go in the dunes. Today was the only day that we didn't go on the beach all week. You can see the way the sand has gone around all the seashells. They look cool. It's like little knobs of the sand. Hello, seagull. There's a laughing gull. I don't know how that seagull takes this with all the sand getting right in its eyes. Day though. Cars drive on the beach. Coke. Yesterday the sand was blowing down on the closer to the water and you could see it. It looked really cool. Maybe it'll do that tomorrow. We'll see. Maybe I'll get a video of that too. Here you can see it a little bit. See how big the waves are. The water's really pretty. And over here, I'll show you this real quick. And now that sand's blowing. Got a sea turtle nest over here. We're not allowed inside, but I can show you what they do here whenever there's a turtle nest. Because this island is a national park. You can see they have sea turtle nest site, and they have the strings up around these signs to prevent people from walking in. And I'm pretty sure that pole marks where the actual turtle laid its eggs. It's probably laid its eggs like just behind the pole. A PVC pipe. You can see the sand dunes up there. We'll go in there tomorrow. It's not so windy. plovers, they have a most of this island is a sanctuary for them. They're pretty cool. What they do is and I don't know if those are hatchlings, or they might not even be piping plovers, but they look like piping plovers. The piping plovers, what they do is they go on the beach, because there's these little clams that live in the sand. They're really teeny tiny, only about that big. And they run up and down the beach just like that. They'll wait for the waves to go down, then they go and dig out the clams, and then when they come back, and then when the waves come back up again, then they run all the way back up again. Today it might be too rough for them. There's one over there. Anyway, that's going to be about all for today's video. So once again, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Please be sure to put that down in the comments below so you did that for a shout out. And we will see you guys on the next adventure.